Hello guys, welcome back again. This is Jeet and you are watching IndieCuber. Well, thank you so much for the response over my videos, and I'm expecting your subscribing and following with my videos ASAP and as much as you can. If you haven't subscribed my channel till now, please do subscribe my channel, hit the subscribe button as well as the bell icon, and also write in the comment I subscribe. Well, here with this video I'm just going to tell you something very strange about this cube that you can use in the public area to impress the public, but in this you'll have to ensure that you are only the one person who is working over the cube. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is I'm going to scramble the cube by myself, and I'm trying to solve this cube at the fastest basis. I mean on the fastest speed as I can. And the scramble I have done here, and now I will have to look for I'll have to look for the possibilities from where I can continue and from where I can solve the cube. Okay, I guess I'm done with this scramble properly. So the advantage which I'm going to use here is that is a Z method, where I have this completed and this will be on my right side like this, and now I'm going to solve this cube. But what I'm going to do is I will off screen the cube like this, and then I will take it back, and the moment I'll do this it will be solved. So let me give it a try. Oh, sorry, it's done. Okay, I'll scramble once again, and I hope you can understand what I have done here. Yeah. Okay, so just look for the positive term like this. No, this one not work. Yeah, this one. The Z form is here, so take it on the right side of yours and decide one side from where you can start. I'll take the green on the upward. Now see, the cube is solved. So I hope you must have liked the things which I've showed you, and if you want to know how did I do this and what I had done, what is the moves and what are the algorithm which I had used in this video, please subscribe my channel. Write down in the comment section that you subscribed. Also write down in the comment if you want to learn how I do. Well, thank you so much for giving your support and the view over this video. Thank you so much. Enjoy your day.